I tried Pandabuy reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just another shopping app, but Pandabuy claims to provide verified seller ratings, product authenticity checks, and price comparison tools. I spent a week testing it thoroughly. On day 1, I explored the interface. The app organizes products by category, shows verified reviews, and highlights top sellers. Most people overlook seller ratings, but Pandabuy emphasizes trustworthiness, which is essential for avoiding scams. By day 3, I tested product authenticity features. You won't believe what happens. Several listings I considered buying were flagged for inconsistencies. The surprising truth is that these checks can save you from fake or low-quality items. By day 5, I explored the price comparison tool. Most people get this wrong by relying on one store, but Pandabuy displays multiple sellers with current prices. I even found the exact item I wanted at a 12% lower price than other platforms. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Pandabuy Reviews app is more than a shopping platform. It's a smart tool for anyone looking to buy safely and save money. Most people underestimate how much a well-designed app can enhance online shopping. If you want secure purchases, reliable reviews, and the best prices, Pandabuy is worth exploring. The shocking truth: a smart shopping app can prevent mistakes, save money, and make online shopping truly stress-free.